Good morning, guys.
Morning, sir.
How is your breakfast? Good or what?
Yes, very good, sir.
Very good?
Yes. Chicken.
Huh?
Chicken.
Chicken?
Is big.
That chicken, ya?
Yes. So good. Delicious.
Delicious?
Oh.
And the panorama is good too. See? Good morning.
Morning.
Today, how is your breakfast?
My breakfast is good and big breakfast.
Oh yeah? Is this your first time to come to Bali?
Yes, sir. This is my first time to go to Bali.
How about you? How is your face? Oh, big portion, yeah? Like crazy man. Oke, ini adalah sarapan teman-teman sebelum melanjutkan perjalanan. Kita sedang berada di rumah makan Soka. Jadi keren banget, pelayanannya bagus, ramah banget nih tenaganya teman-teman. Setelah kita sarapan, mungkin sekitar jam 9 waktu Indonesia bagian timur, kita akan melanjutkan perjalanan ke Tanah Lot. Mungkin insya Allah akan ditempuh sekitar 1 atau sampai 2 jam ya perjalanan kita ke Tanah Lot. Dan mereka akan mempraktekkan bahasa Inggris mereka. Alright, let's have breakfast. This is my menu today. Good breakfast. Got chip and hot tea too. Alright. Oke, masih di hari kedua, yaitu tanggal 14. Teman-teman BIC lagi hunting bule nih, untuk diajak ngobrol sama mereka. Hari ini kita Di hari kedua kita ada di pantai Kuta Beach. Ada suasana baru nih di Kuta Beach, ada jalur pedestrian nih di sini nih. Kemarin tahun 2022 kita ke sini nggak ada sih. Sekarang udah ada. Jadi enak nih buat jalan. Yuk, kita cari teman-teman yang lagi praktek. Ah, kayaknya ada lagi tuh. Siapa tuh mereka tuh? Itu murid BC lagi ngobrol sama bule juga tuh. Jadi sekarang kalau di Bali sudah ada ini ya, penangkis kayaknya ya. Yuk kita turun.
I think for me it's Ubud, probably.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Ubud or Nusa Penida.
Yeah, Nusa Penida is great too. Ubud was in the rainforest, so it was pretty cool. And Nusa Penida was just like really good weather and good food. And it was cool, pretty cool as well.
So we kind of liked everything here.
Oh, yes. And where is the country do you like? Do you like in Indonesia?
Yeah, we
Yeah.
like Indonesia. Yeah,
Indonesia's great.
good food.
Nice people.
What the
weather.
favorite?
My favorite food. I don't really have favorite food, but I just like everything, you know? I just eat everything.